Finding products to sell on Amazon can feel like a never-ending process that drains so much time out of your day. Because of that, other areas of your business suffer as a result, and it can even spill over to losing time out of your personal life as well. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a secret product research technique that I've been using over the past 10 years to turn products that are not profitable into leads for ones that are. It's really simple and straightforward. It takes no more than an hour or two a day, and you can get started right away. So we're going to switch over to my computer screen right now, and I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly how it works.
Let's start our journey here together on bestbuy.com. So I found this headset at $100 off. So I thought, wow, maybe there's an opportunity to resell this on Amazon for a profit. If I could buy this for $99 and sell it for $200, then there's a good chance of a profit. However, unfortunately, it's selling 4 cents cheaper on Amazon itself. So no opportunity to make a profit from this product. However, what I promised you is in this video, I was going to share with you a secret research technique that you can use to turn these non-profitable products into leads for other profitable products. Do you think it stands to reason that all the sellers, and there are 33 other sellers currently selling this product on Amazon right now, do you think it stands to reason that some of them might be buying these from profitable sources? I think it probably does, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look and just filter them by Prime and New, because that's all I want to see. And we can see that there is someone here, Outlet Digital. They're selling at $108.98, so they're probably buying it at a lower cost and making a profit with it. Same with Madison Tech, and same with Hello Tech Toys. So what we're going to do is pick one of these stores and go see what other products they are selling and see if we can find where they're buying their products from. So I like the sound of Hello Tech Toys. They sell tech, they sell toys. I sell tech and toys, so let's go have a look and see what Hello Tech Toys have to offer. So we can just click on their storefront name. One last thing we need to do once this page loads up is just click the Hello Tech Toys storefront. And that takes us over to a page where we can see they have 214 different products in stock. So like I said, it stands to reason that they're buying these from somewhere and selling them at a profit. So what we're going to do is have a little look through and see if we can find any products that we can reverse engineer and find their suppliers for. To save us some time, I found an example to show you. So we're still here in Hello Tech Toys. If we scroll on down, we'll see this Play School Mr. Potato Head Super Spud. You can see they're selling it for $47.80. So the next step is to reverse engineer this product and see if we can find where they're buying it from. And we do that by simply highlighting the title, right click, and in Google Chrome you just hit search Google for, and then it has the title name. And once that loads up, you can see there's lots of people offering the same and similar products at various different prices. But what caught my attention was Kohl's here at $19.99. So I click through to Kohl's, and you can see that we can indeed right now buy this Potato Head Super Spud for $19.99. But there's more, because we can actually get an additional 15% discount using discount coupon YouGet15. So we can buy these at $19.99 less a 15% discount. So if we now head back over to Amazon, I have a tool that I use. I'm just going to turn it on here and I'll show you how it works. It basically calculates the profits that we would make if we were to buy this product from Kohl's at $19.99 less the 15% discount, and take all Amazon's fees and everything like that into account and tell us how much profit we'd make. So right now, based on a cost price of $19.99, selling it on Amazon at $47.80, we're looking at a profit of $11.12 with a 55% ROI. Not bad, but we haven't applied the 15% discount yet. BuyBot Pro has this little feature here. We can just click 15%, and then it recalculates the profit. You can see that's now increased to $14.12, which is an 83% ROI. Pretty impressive, I think you'll agree. But that's if we just bought one of them. Let's suppose we bought 10 of those. So we just update the quantity in here, and it updates, and it gives us the numbers down here. We can see we'd make $141.20 from just one product. And remember, this is a lead we got from a non-profitable product that we found earlier on. Now, it doesn't stop there, because what I discovered was that Kohl's have a sale on right now. It's not just this product they're offering at a discount. So I headed into the toys section. It's not Black Friday yet, but they have Black Friday early access deals on. And right now there's a ton of toys with 50% off. So I found this one here, Barbie Fab Friends Styling Head. So based on the fact we can buy this at $9.99 less a 15% discount, I matched the product up to the same one on Amazon, and here's what I found. It's currently selling for $29.45. This is the lowest current price. So we put the same numbers into my analysis tool. So $9.99 less the 15% discount with a sell price of $29.45. We're looking at another $8.62 profit, which is more than doubling our money, $101.53 profit. So I have 10 already calculated in here just to show you that's going to be an $86.20 profit. That's 2 products we found so far off the back of a product that was not profitable, but there's more. What I did is I figured if they've got 50% off on toys, there's a good chance they have discount on other products too. And we can see they've got home, women's clothes, men's clothes, kids, jewelry, and beauty products. Now right here in the best sellers section, I see Sephora collection colorful eyeshadow. So I click through to that. They had it available in a number of different shades. So I did a search on Amazon and found one of the popular shades is strawberry macaroon. So I did a search for that. Again, we can buy it here for $5 less the 15% discount. This one's currently selling for $15.93. So based on a $5 less 15% discount purchase price, $15.93 sell price, we can make $6.01 from every single one of these we buy, which is a 141.32% ROI. Once again, we buy 10 of those, and all of a sudden, we're looking at a $60.06 profit. So $60 profit there, plus an $86.20 profit there, $141.20 profit there. That gives us a potential profit of $287.46. Now you might be thinking that's all very well and good, but what about the costs? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this back to 1 here, and I'll show you. Buybot Pro breaks down all the costs that you're going to pay, all the fees and everything like that. It's all been taken into account. So you see total costs. If I hover over this blue text, it's going to show me that I pay Amazon a referral fee, which is their commission of $7.17. I pay a storage fee for 1 month storage of $1.05, and I pay a fulfillment fee of $8.47. And that fee is for Amazon to pick it off the shelf, pack it in a box, and ship it to my customer on my behalf. So literally after the point at which we buy the product, we get it sent to Amazon, that's our bit done. Amazon takes care of everything else, and we know exactly how much that's going to cost.
And that, in a nutshell, is how we take a product that isn't profitable and turn it into a lead to find products that are profitable. And this is just one of the product research techniques that we teach here on this YouTube channel. In fact, the video that's popping up on your screen right now is where I teach what we call the SLAP method, which is another way of finding profitable products. So go check that out. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.